myself in Squamish a number of times, getting the chance to work with a couple new athletes. You know, once we can start filming with athletes again, the schedule's packed up. And from there, we left the mountains and wound up doing some filming on the valley floor. Finally had the chance to visit the Rockies. Went for a work trip. I took the FJ, slept in the glades each night. It was amazing. Then something kind of big happened.
Hey Lauren, did we just get engaged?
Yeah. Favorite thing I ever had in my entire life.
Oh, that little guy?
Yeah. Wow!
Just being with you is all that I will ever do.
I don't know, I can't think of any words to describe it besides cool or amazing. That's how cool.
Needless to say, a lot has happened since the last time we talked. I'm gonna work on calling more often. I hope you're doing well.